My project's entitled a PhD in Engineering with concentrations in coastal engineering and computational engineering. It's at an HBCU. It's at Jackson State University, and as most everybody knows, there are very few engineering programs at historic black colleges and universities, and in fact there are only 15 in the nation that have engineering programs. And our program just got approved to offer a PhD in engineering degree 2 years ago. So in the Coastal Hazards Center of Excellence, which preceded the Coastal Resilience Center for 7 years, we instituted concentration in coastal engineering in the undergraduate civil engineering degree, and concentrations in coastal and computational engineering in the master's degree program. So this, as a follow-on center of excellence, seemed like a very natural extension, so that we now have a continuum in coastal engineering from the BS through the MS through the PhD level, or we will have when we have this project completed. And so we'll hope to graduate a pipeline of students at all degree levels. Well, our principal end products, of course, since it's an education program, are students, or graduates. And so we would hope to have a continuous supply of students at the bachelor's, master's, and PhD level, less at each level obviously, that are familiar with coastal natural disasters, that have had education and training in coastal natural disasters. And since we're a historic black college and universities, the preponderance of those students will be minority students.